The International Institute for Very, Very Serious Studies is a performance training program in Beirut to develop the talents of experienced artists and send them out to use their skills to engage with communities. Okay, fine then. Selected artists will be put through a 7-month program. The first part is a crash course in techniques such as participatory art, clowning and bouffon, mask work, puppetry, physical theater, and storytelling, with professional teachers from Italy, the United Kingdom, France, the United States, and Lebanon. The second part is a field project using the acquired skills to create a street performance in a community in Lebanon. The school's first year will run from September 1st, 2019 through April 2020. It will be free of charge for accepted students. Applications are due by July 15th, 2019. Promising candidates will be selected for a follow-up audition. The IIVVSS is a project of Clown Me In and is funded by Drosos.